I think Hardik has that, you know, swag and that opulent vibe.
Diva
yeah,
vibe.
diva energy.
But let me tell you one thing, I never want him back.
That fashionista. Oh, this girl is a fashionista,
She
man.
is. Especially after Kho Gaye Hum Kahan, I feel that pressure to just a good kind of pressure to not disappoint people. I want to hit him on the head with a potato sack.
Hi, my name is Prerna. I'm from Radio Mirchi. मैं शाम का शो करती हूँ 5 से 9 बजे के बीच में. But there is no time specific that you have to watch this show. You can watch it whenever. It's binge worthy. I'm hoping and praying that मतलब मुझे पैसे मिले ना मिले जीवन में, लेकिन हमें सीजन 2, सीजन 3, सीजन 4 बाकायदा मिलना चाहिए because it's looking so fab. It really is looking damn fab. ये डाइट सभ्या ने भी कह दिया है तो फिर हमारे लिए मतलब that's the Bible ना nowadays. Correct? Ananya Pandey. Oh my God. It's so fun to see you, babe. Since the first film Student of the Year 2 से लेके अब तक, I think the trajectory has been just fab. It's fantastic. It's through the roof. It's colorful. It's hot. It's happening. It's PHAT. Pretty hard attempted.
Thank you.
So how मतलब अगर मैं आपसे ये सवाल पूछूं कि सबसे ज़्यादा किसके एक्सपेक्टेशन सबसे ज़्यादा भारी लगते हैं? खुद के, फैमिली के, फ्रेंड्स के, फैंस के, इन चारों में से ये जो 4 कैटेगरीज हैं, सबसे ज़्यादा भारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस किसके लगते हैं आपको?
That's a deep question.
Which F team is giving you most?
Which F team is giving the most P?
I think fans is giving the P. Because I feel like my family and my friends and, you know, everyone else, fraternity, is very...
That also.
Another
Yes.
F.
Love it,
is
love it.
very loving.
Even without the coffee, the timing's right there.
Yeah.
Exactly. But they have been very they're loving and forgiving and, you know, like me and support me. But I feel, especially after Kho Gaye Hum Kahan, I feel that pressure to just a good kind of pressure to not disappoint people. I just really want to be good and I want people to like me and like my work and just put out work that really resonates and stays with people. Like I want those characters that years later people are like, she's my favorite character, I love her and I act like her or I say,
Iconic.
yeah, iconic. You know how they say iconic like that?
Yeah.
How do you deal with it though? लेकिन मतलब जब मैं एक लिंक भी कर रही होती हूँ रेडियो पे and I know that this is a fab take. मतलब I was stupendous. But not to still be humble. How do you keep bringing yourself back from?
I think life humbles you.
Yeah.
Anyway, but no, I feel I am very hard on myself. That I don't feel good until like I'm really like told by my director or my co-stars that listen, chill, like you know, you were fine.
Yeah.
I'm constantly asking
Yeah,
Muskan,
yeah,
like,
yeah.
do you think that was fine? Or I'm asking Colin or Lyra, like, was that okay? Should I do it again? Should I try it like this? I'm never happy. So, but that constantly keeps me on my toes and makes me want to do better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Also, it's just great. मैं तो यहाँ पे जैसे वो पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग में टीचर होती है ना, जो फर्स्ट रैंक वाली जो बच्ची होती है.
Oh, yes.
I'm teacher.
Never was that in school. I'm feeling
आपको
it
टेंशन
today.
लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. कोई रेड रिमार्क्स नहीं है इसके बुक में.
My proud parents.
Oh yes,
I brought them with me.
momagers.
छाती चौड़ा हो गया.
मुस्कान, my first questions to you. जब आपने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी तब क्या आपको लगा कि ये वाला जो डायलॉग मैं कहने वाली हूँ और इसकी जो कॉमिक टाइमिंग होगी, इसे कह के पब्लिक लोटपोट पागल?
Very
good
because see, I read it as an audience myself.
Correct.
When I read it. So when I am only bursting and laughing, so I was like, ये तो होने ही वाला है.
जी.
ये तो मामला होने ही वाला है.
तो ऐसे कोई सीन था या फिर ऐसा कोई फ्रेम था, ऐसा कोई मोमेंट था कि आपको लगा ये वाले सीन में तो मुझे बड़ी एक्साइटमेंट है?
ऐसे तो बहुत थे.
बहुत थे.
बहुत थे, but it's the one-liners is written so well,
Yeah.
and even with like the punches and everything, it was just a great read. Like when you read a book also, like as a comedy book.
जी.
तो वो तो पढ़ा, like
आपको
खत्म.
क्या?
खत्म.
खत्म. धमाका.
धमाका.
तोड़फोड़.
एकदम.
Okay. आपकी जो कॉमिक टाइमिंग है, या आपको आपकी मम्मी से मिलती है, पापा से मिलती है, या फिर चाइल्ड ट्रॉमा? मतलब
पापा
क्या?
से मिलती
वो
है.
child
ट्रॉमा मतलब आई डोंट नो कहाँ से मिल रही है आपकी कॉमिक टाइमिंग?
नहीं वो तो थोड़ा बहुत तो है शायद
हर
खून में
जगह
तो
से।
है, हाँ थोड़ा बहुत तो है, बट आई एम माई सेल्फ वेरी वेरी एनिमेटेड since childhood. They also know I'm constantly doing something.
She is.
So I enjoy it, and I watch a lot of comedy stuff also. I think it's a very very difficult art.
Genre.
Yeah, it's very very difficult.
100%. बट आपके कई सारे ऐसे मोमेंट्स हैं जो रिक्शा में भी है या फिर अदरवाइज ऑल्सो. आई थिंक वो जो एक छोटा सा पॉज लेती है ना आप, एक सेकंड का क्यूरियोसिटी विद धमाका. Yeah.
टाइमिंग का ही होता है ना
It's
सब
really
खेल.
timing. That's why they say comic timing. 'cause
Exactly. It's like a metronome वो चलता रहता है. And I was so glad that the both of us could find it, you know, like the three of us found it.
Yeah.
Because it's like there's a theater में एक game होता है zip zap zoom. So it's like that was constantly happening.
हमने स्कूल में भी खेला, सिर्फ थिएटर में नहीं खेला.
Oh, sorry. I didn't.
हमने नहीं खेला है.
Sorry.
हमने स्कूल में सिर्फ घर खेला और डॉक्टर. Lyra और निहारिका.
जी.
What is your preference, निहारिका या Lyra?
Whatever you want to call me.
I'll call you Bay.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is that trait about your character जिसे आप romanticize करती हैं?
Romanticize करती हूँ. Just her drive, man. Her never die spirit. I think you can romanticize it, but when it comes down to reality, you can really be hard on yourself and burn out eventually. But I can romanticize that particular trait, I guess.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
That's great. कोई ऐसी मिडिल क्लास हरकत है आपकी जो साबुन के साथ जोड़ देना या किसी और के घर पे जाके लाइटें बंद कर देना बिकॉज उसकी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का बिल ज़्यादा आ जाएगा. Anything that's the most middle class about you?
If I go to a hotel, I love going to the bathroom and chilling in the bathroom a lot. If I go
the
to
soap in the bath.
Same.
yeah, oh my
Like
god, when I
taking
go to
the
hotels,
body
I
lotion.
always take like I have an
Towel,
entire
Yeah,
thing.
full on.
Towel?
Bathrobe. Not towels, no, I'm saying those bathrobes.
I've taken just
and those,
chappal.
like,
I've taken the chappal, yeah.
chappals.
Chappal for sure. And also all the shampoos and the conditioners. And then when I call for breakfast, I call for extra jams and mayonnaise.
Because उसके डब्बे भी बड़े cute से होते हैं.
Because I
Gold
love
tops.
that jam, yeah, that
Yeah.
strawberry jam. And so then I save all of that. So that middle class harkat I
There's a
do.
weird urge to take all these thailis and keep, man. I don't know.
But that's
It
not a
comes from
weird
mom.
urge, it's recycling, it's very
हाँ, I
good.
want to keep
And
whatever
then
they
really
have.
possessive about my dabba.
Dabba.
Like if I send you food, then I'm like the next day like.
But I
want the
won't
dabba
know
back.
because you've never sent me food.
If I do, then the dabba. But this is why I don't because I don't want to give my dabbas
don't want to
away.
give the dabba
A really nice dabbas.
But do you also do this? जैसे कि एक मिडिल क्लास हरकत ये भी होती है कि अगर आपको डब्बा मतलब मैंने खाना भेजा है अनन्या को, ठीक है, जब आप वापस भेजेंगे तो साथ में कुछ भेजेंगे उसमें,
Have to.
है ना?
That's the
बिल्कुल.
sweet touch.
That's a sweet touch.
Yeah.
That's a
And there's
sweet
also a
touch.
note. I mean,
Yeah, I
do
put
that.
notes
I put
on.
notes.
I put notes
Yeah.
on the dabbas.
मैं एक बॉम्बे गर्ल हूँ. You've been in Bombay all your life, and I'm just in general like क्या आपको लगता है कि अगर आप कहीं और से आती तो maybe you know you would probably have that edge of working harder or you know not the privilege that you have of being brought up here?
I think there are always ways to find reasons with why you should work harder. You know, definitely if I was not from here, that would be a drive and that would, you know, set me apart from people and, you know, make me want to, there'd be so many more things I would also have to focus on, but just the hustle of finding work, you know, there'd be a hustle of finding a house and people and all of that stuff. Now, because I'm in this position, what pushes me to work hard is I don't want people to have a reason to say that I don't work hard or feel like because I'm privileged or my father's an actor or I come from a family of, you know, actors that she's not working hard. I want to work 20 times harder to not allow anyone to say that. So you'll always find a reason to work hard.
Right, right. आने वाले time में which director or producer are you wishing and hoping to call you babe?
Oh.
To call me babe.
Not babe, like call
Like-
you.
Oh, like that.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali is called up babe.
बिल्कुल
Yeah,
बिल्कुल
thanks,
बिल्कुल
I'm
ये सही
done.
आपने पकड़ा है वही
Even I
है
was
वही
gonna
है
say
मैं वही
that.
बोलने वाली थी
Oh, lovely.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
Because इनकी जो अदाएं
I was going to
हैं,
say her nazakat.
her अदाएं, her नजाकत,
अरे,
her
शुक्रिया।
dancing and singing skills, I feel like
She's a musical
nobody
waiting
has
to happen.
scratched
He's
the
a-
surface of Muskan Jaffrey. I
नहीं,
feel
She's
like
a walking, talking music.
अंदर खोदो तो बहुत सोना
Sounds really
मिलेगा.
wrong.
okay no but genuinely I mean उनका हर एक frame is
परेशान
like
नहीं करना चाहते हैं ऐसे.
नहीं,
हम
नहीं.
नहीं करेंगे ये सब.
please
but
please
yeah,
नहीं
yeah.
वो genuinely है वो
थोड़ा
एक-
बेटा गा के सुना.
कॉल मी बे अनन्या के कैरेक्टर में अगर कोई क्रिकेटर होता तो आप किसको कास्ट करते? हार्दिक पांड्या, केएल राहुल, शुभमन गिल.
I think Hardik has that, you know, swag and that opulent vibe.
Diva
yeah,
vibe.
Diva energy.
Diva energy, yeah, cool. Who amongst the cast जहाँ पे आपने इतने अच्छे अच्छे दोस्त बनाए हैं is likely to eat a live worm just to save your life?
I think Varun will do it
Yep.
in a heartbeat.
He would not
I was
even
gonna
need her
say
to
that,
Save
yeah.
it. Like she could be alive and
Okay,
well.
1 second. He's a roadie. He's a splits villain. He's
Yeah.
See, all those things don't matter. In general, who really do you feel cares
Varun-
for you so much? That
I don't think it's a cares for me so much in particular. I feel like he would just eat the
It's
worm.
his andar ka
I
keeda.
think these babies would really want to eat the worm to be able to save me, but they won't manage.
If you put it in my pancake, I would have it.
Okay.
Oh God!
Just imagine cutting it and finding out.
Into her pancake, then she will have it.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
I know how much
Fair.
she loves her pancakes. Thanks, Anna. That's really sweet.
Who is a miser on the sets of Call Me Babe?
A miser?
Miser.
There is no miser.
No miser.
Honest,
Can't
there
they
is no
listen? Sorry.
miser.
यहाँ पे कंजूस नहीं है हमारे में, ठीक है?
कंजूस तो मैं नहीं।
हर प्रकार के लोग हो सकते हैं, कंजूस
कंजूस
कोई
नहीं
नहीं
है।
है, ठीक
Yeah.
है? And then
Overflowing. Everything is overflowing.
overflowing.
Yeah.
Who's the Ori on the sets of Call Me Babe?
As in, Ori, in what sense?
Wants to click pictures, is a liver, wants to flourish, wants to like just be in the lane and like
I mean, not
just
really.
be friends with everybody.
Lisa.
Lisa.
She's
yeah,
a bit
she
of
was
like a
like a
Gen Z
reel.
icon. She's a reel maker. She knows all the young words.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the young one.
Yeah, we don't know them.
You know the old one.
Yeah.
was a performer Bay. Then you were also young. weren't you?
Before
anyone.
everybody.
Absolutely. Okay.
I messed it up, but
Oh, okay,
like,
thank
done
God. That would be
okay.
too much.
Lyra, this one's for you. Who do you think is the Urfi on the sets of Call Me Babe?
Urfi as in? In what way, madam?
Edgy, ऐसा मटका वटका पहन लेते हैं या मतलब fashionista type है.
Fashionista? Oh, this girl is a fashionista,
She is.
man.
Yeah, I got a vibe.
Like her bags,
I got a vibe.
her pants and the stuff that she comes out with, like different hairstyles and her
Yeah,
nails
yeah,
and all.
yeah.
She's like full on Urfi.
Fab, ठीक है. Would cheat on you with your partner?
Oh.
Who cheat on you with your partner?
Mane.
Who would cheat on their partner?
The sweet boys are here. Can they join us?
Can we
Come,
show-
guys,
I'll ask them this question.
Come,
already.
Can we show them as a live example?
Don't take too much time. Just enter fast.
Please
Go
come.
Fateh.
They're asking us controversial things.
God,
Come.
they're
not
taking
here.
so much time. Now you can shut it.
Where's Gulfateh?
Thank you. Huh.
Okay, who would cheat on their partner?
For example, you're seeing Varun, ठीक है?
Huh. I didn't say Varun.
मैं
If
generally
you are
मैं
dating
example दे रही
Varun,
हूँ.
you are seeing Varun.
Okay, okay.
For example,
Huh?
you're seeing Varun and
Huh?
I am your very good friend
Yeah.
on the sets of Call Me Babe.
Yeah.
And I have things for and we.
Oh,
Yeah.
you are saying who's the bad friend?
Who's the bad friend?
No
Oh,
one.
no one.
NG.
No one. No one.
No?
No one will do that.
You're giving him.
Maybe Vihan will. I'm joking. I'm joking.
You have entered the wrong stage.
I just wanted to pull your leg. Yeah.
Who do you think, I've already asked these questions to them, who do you think is going to become a billionaire first? Call Me Babe के sets पे. सबसे ज़्यादा पैसा किसके पास होगा?
I think Ananya or Varun because I know that they save a lot. I think they're great savers and I want to learn that skill from them.
Shares में invest
All
करते
of
हैं.
us.
But
But
you know
that's
it's
true.
We get
Walk
spicy
off.
answers though, very spicy.
I hope everyone becomes one.
Even I hope so, but I feel like Varun could come up with a really strange startup idea.
He already is.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well,
There you
So
go.
Varun.
There you
Varun.
go.
Yeah.
Great, not so edgy questions at all, right?
Yeah,
Now
little-
we're wrapping it up. I have quick rhymes just like Ananya's character does. Bay, slay, seize the day. मैं एक शब्द का एक सेंटेंस कहूँगी आपको आगे बढ़ानी है ये राइमिंग की
okay.
ट्रेन
Sara ki
Dasta.
shairi.
थैंक यू आई लव बॉम्बे
And the weather especially.
That's to
You guys
rhyme.
supposed to rhyme?
That was the only part of the game.
Okay then.
It's not sorry,
Let's
sorry. guys.
restart.
Start again.
Yeah,
start
let's
again.
start
huh?
again.
No problem. This never happened. Okay. Eligible bachelor हिंदुस्तान में है सलमान.
खाने में मुझे पसंद है बटर चिकन और नान.
तो बैठिए लेकर अपना सारा सामान.
क्योंकि खुलने वाली है बे की दुकान.
Yes! Well done. Couple of more. I
That
hate
sounds
ice
wrong.
cream that is mint.
Why don't you call me on your elephant?
Okay. I'll yeah. Why don't you call me on your
On your
elephant?
elephant.
I was waiting for your call, but you didn't.
That is the rhyme.
Yeah.
I don't understand.
Ended
Mint, elephant.
So then I
mint.
went and chewed on some mint.
Okay.
Mint is already used.
You can't say mint again.
Can't say it.
Because then I have to go and meet this boy called Achint.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Last one. Karan Johar is the best.
He has a lot of zest.
You can't even compare him to the rest. It's so unfair.
Because really, he has a lot of jest.
Nice. Because it's going so well, I'm going to do one last.
so hard.
मेरे ex का दिल is black.
वो देता नहीं मुझे कोई भी slack.
I want to hit him on the head with a potato sack.
But let me tell you one thing, I never want him back.
Nice. That's
Very
very
good.
Very good. Very
We are
good.
too
Much.
talented.
Too much.
Mic
too much.
drop.
Very cool. Call Me Bay is coming out on Prime Video on the 6th of September. मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि I had a chance to chat with the girls. I wish I had the entire day, but no problem. On the 6th of September, just go and watch Call Me Bay.
Hey,